The large campus allows us to attract a very diverse and wide range of different types of students from different ages, and it creates a great cultural mix. One of the beauties of Radley College is the combination of the traditional British boarding school and the more modern facilities such as the classrooms and the housing, etc. And we're very lucky because we've got the lake and the fields around. We've got the Silk Hall, which we use for morning meetings, for evening programmes, and we also have a very modern theatre. Everybody else, can you go outside?
What you've got to do is just find out who you are or what you are by asking yes or no questions.
I am from England.
You are from England, yes. Correct. Keep asking. You got it? Well done. Take your name off and sit down with it. Well done. We've got a winner. We have a winner.
We have to get rid of the ball.
Well, it's all about being creative with language while engaging the imagination.
My name is Fabian, I'm from Germany and I really enjoyed shadow puppets.
Students work in groups and they have to present their own country, compare and contrast it with another country.
We're doing PowerPoint like Ukraine visite Britain, and we're trying to find some information about it.
Each year, a team of student hosts coming from all over England come here to make friends and chat with the international students in activities and chill out time so that we can improve their English.
The campus is really nice and the staff are always really friendly.
So just take a moment to decide which subject. We've got like education, national customs.
The Trinity exam is an internationally recognized certification that assesses the level of English that the candidate or the student here has. And here we get students of different levels working together alongside student hosts to practice and prepare for the exam.
Do you live in a city or a town or in the countryside?
I live in a city. I live in Warsaw, the capital of Poland.
So this is the Radley College dining hall. It's enormous, it's very old, and we eat together, which is one of the best parts of it. So we get all 200 kids together. In terms of accommodation, we use 5 of the houses on site. Most are individual single rooms that have wash basins and a safe security box, as well as a view over the campus. And there are also a small number of rooms for 2, 3 or 4 people available. We have over 16 tennis courts, an athletics track, football fields. There's also an indoor sports centre, which we can do basketball, badminton, volleyball, a swimming pool as well for diving and swimming. Lunch. We also offer special option sports, which include horse riding and tennis with professional coaches and teachers. We've got a very active and diverse social programme with lots of evening programmes, clubs in the afternoon, mixed sports, and of course the wide range of excursions. This year we went to London, including the London Eye, up to Oxford many times on the half-day excursions, and even trips to Warwick Castle, to Stratford and Bath.
We went to London. It was fantastic there. We saw amazing things like Big Ben from the London Eye and go shopping in famous shops. Yes, I think it was the best trip.
One of the noticeable features of the programme is that students are arriving at Radley with a higher level of English. So we accommodate them with our High Achievers programme, which promotes British culture and explores diverse parts of life in Britain as well.
Not only does this programme include classroom-based sessions, but we also have the opportunity to take these children out on special excursions. For example, this year we've been to see As You Like It at the Bodleian Library, and other things also planned this summer.
I've been coming to Radley now for 8 years as course director, and I keep coming back because it's such a wonderful, positive place to be in. The staff keep coming back, the English student hosts keep returning, and hopefully many of them will become our staff in the future.